If your Sony Bravia Google TV's remote is broken, you have lost it, or you're just tired of using different remotes for each device, then stay tuned and I'll show you how to use your iPhone or Android device as your Sony Smart TV's remote without using any third-party apps. First of all, you'll need to install the Google Home app. So if you have an Android device, then go to Google Play Store, and for iPhones, go to App Store and search for Google Home. Then install the app. After it's installed, make sure that your phone and your TV is connected to the same Wi-Fi, and then open the app. Press Allow on the permission pop-ups. Tap Get Started, choose any of your Google accounts, and tap on I agree. Then you'll need to select a home, and if you haven't created one yet, then you can do it right from here. Tap on Next, tap on Continue, then it will start searching for your TV. If it doesn't pop up here, then you can just cancel out and go to the Devices tab, scroll down to Local Devices, and here you should find your TV. So we'll tap on our Sony TV, and now you can start using the remote right from here. But it's recommended that you add it to a room first so that it works without any issues. So now you're ready to use your smartphone as your Sony Bravia Google TV's remote. So now you can say goodbye to old-fashioned remote controls forever. And you can always hit that like button, subscribe to show us your appreciation, and I'll see you around.